Gates open. As expected, the favorite Moraita jumps for your lead. Barracuda in second by the Real Malabon Mark together with Virtual Angel, while Bertong Balutan is running at the tail of the field, about to pass the last 800. Moraita in front by about 2 lengths by the Real Malabon Mark, running alongside Virtual Angel. Then moving up is Bertong Balutan and Barracuda now running in behind them, heading towards the last 450. It's still Moraita traveling good in front, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Running in second is Virtual Angel by the Rail third is Malabon Mark and Bertong Balutan, while Barracuda is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Moraita, Malabon Mark is by the Rail, and outside is Virtual Angel and Bertong Balutan sneaking in with the last 100 meters more to run. Another horse coming from the stable of Mr. Hermes Guerra. This one is Moraita. Second, number 1, Malabon Mark. Then comes Bertong Balutan. Number 2, Virtual Angel and Barracuda.
Winner take all, 572,707 ang natira dyan. Moraita. Pick 6, 1,791,269 ang hating handle. Ang dala ni Moraita is 1,361,472. Quarters niyan is 19, 24 and a half, finishing at 27, 1 minute 10.6, 1,100 meters and distance. Pagbabalik ko po